Hello, this is Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is July 23rd, 2017, and this is my weekly trade review, where I review a NASDAQ trade, morning 9:30 opening trade. Green candle, we trade up. Red candle, we trade down. This is all for educational purposes only. Trading is risky. You can and will lose money at trading. Please seek out your financial advisor, your significant other, before you take it in part of trading. Trading, you can and will lose money. Let's jump right on into it, though. This is our website. Check us out. My page here, Right Side Trader. Check me out, subscribe. But let's jump over to the chart. Let's jump over to like I said, this is my weekly trade review, July 23rd, 2017, for the week of July 17th through July 21st. You can contact me at solomon@rightsidetrading.com, or you can call me at 727-69-QQQ. That's 77709. Okay, on July 17th, there was a July 17th, Doji, no trade. July 18th, greater than 10, no trade. July 19th, up for 10. July 20th, down for 10. July 21st, up for 10. Let's take a look at the charts. All right. What we're looking at here is a daily chart. And as you can see, for the last, I think I counted 8 days, the market had been going up. This is QQQ. What I do, I compare QQQ. I look at QQQ and NQ. My statistics are based off of NQ. What I actually trade is QQQ. I found out after trading the NASDAQ future contracts last year, I do a lot better actually trading QQQ options, day trading those, than I do the contracts. Just my thing, I guess, since I started out with options and all, and looking at the options change and trading based on the charts and what I see on the charts with options. I tend to hold my trades longer. I tend to be more profitable on my trades and more consistent on my trades. It's all about being consistent at your trading. So QQQ is what I trade. But as we can see, the market has been going up. That's a good thing for me. I am a bullish type trader. I very seldom take downward type trades. Only when the market is trending down, I would take a downward type trade. When the market's trending up, I will be taking upward based trades. I will wait for the better entry points. Have you seen in some of my other videos? I usually hit that bottom pretty good. So I take that intraday trade based on what I'm seeing on the chart in a upward pattern. I don't always trade that 9:30 opening trade. And I'll give you guys a quick look at what I actually did this past week. It's no details at all. It's just no trade, and things that I did trade. So that's pretty much all I really want to say there. Let's go ahead and look at some of these trades. Okay, on Monday, this is the 17th. I'm looking at these side by side, and like I said, really everything is based off of what happens over here. That first candle right here. This candle here was a doji. It was less a doji for me. The body of the candle, I look at the open, close. If that's less than $1, doji, no trade. But if you would have played that, you see it did work out to the upside. And then QQQ, again, it did work out to the upside. Next day, the market had been trending down, really pretty good. But again, we wait for that first 5-minute candle, and what did it tell us? It told us down. If you had got into that trade right, it's all based on where you did your entry on that. You could have played it down, just being a trader and all, and see how it worked out for you. But me, greater than 10. I look at, in this case, for the candle, I look at the wick. I do look at the wicks. I go from high to low. High to low on that particular candle. You put it on there. Low 22, high 38, greater than 10. No trade. Let's see how that would have worked out though. Boom, boom, boom. And this time, it didn't work. If you would have went to try to play that thing down based on the market going down, it did a nice bounce and back would have went against you. So it saved you that time. So let's look at it over here again on QQQ. Same thing. Next day. Okay, the market had been going up. It just before open, it did a sharp downward turn. Let's see what happened on that next 5-minute candle. Up, next 5-minute candle was green, and it wasn't greater than 10. 96 didn't quite get the 06, no doji. So the green is ready to go. This is the one where we want to take a trade, and on that particular day, it was up, and it was up for 10. So boom, boom, boom. You had to get into that trade right away, all based on your entry. If you got that 10, well, let's look at it on the future market. Go back over here. All based on where you got into that trade that you get your 10 points or not. But it did go a little bit over 10, so it was a good trade. That was a good trading day for me also. So it worked out. So let's go look at the next day. Boom. Boom. Again, the market had been trending up, did a nice little pullback, went up to a double top, pulled back a little bit, and then what happened? Same thing on NQ. Boom, gave us a single down, but it's down right here. Okay, your next entry will be down here somewhere. Just looking at the charts. If you're bullish type trader, if you're trading it down, you will want to enter that trade like right there, that close as possible. And let's see what happened. Boom, you were in that trade. And let's go on to the next candle. Boom. Again, if you was in that 27, trying to go down to 17 let's see how it worked. Nope, then it bounced on you. Came down here into this demand level. That's again, looking at these different levels you should know, okay, if this trade doesn't work here, I need to be out of this trade. Or this is your target now. You can't make that full 10, you get 5 or better on that trade, and you're done. Let's see how this trade worked out, though. It's all still based on where you had your stop. It came up here and did a doji on you, and if you had got in right here at 26, 31 would have been your stop, your 5-point stop up here. It didn't come close to your stop yet. Let's see what happens. Boom, you finally got your 10 points. Based on your entry being back up here at 27, 26 something, it did go down to 16 and below. So that was good for 10 on the downward side. And on QQQ, also demand level trade for me. I'm in my trade long and all. And all I'm looking to get is 20 cents on this trade. So if you watch some of my videos, I'm pretty aggressive when I see things that in my area, my demand level. I'm in that trade, and all I'm looking for is 20 cents on this side. So 44.08, to 44.28. That's my 20 cents. I've gotten 10 cents or more on my option. That's all I look to get on my option trades. Let me turn my chart back on. It messed me up. So we're done with that one anyway. To the next day. And this was Friday. That first market had been kind of going down, and a big push down before market on. But this ended up being an up. Let's see what that next candle was. Boom. It was a green candle. Looking at open and close. Open and close. Or if my open and close is 09 and close is 3. So it wasn't a doji. It wasn't, greater than 10. So again, we're looking to play this trade up. Let's see how it worked out. And we go to the next candle. Boom. You're in that trade. You're in that trade at around 03 and did it make it to 13? Not quite. Now your stop is down at 8, down below here, below these lows here. Let's see how this works out. All according how if you had, all based on how you look at things, based on your indicators, if you were out of this trade or not out of this trade, or you ended up taking a small loss on this trade. But based on the way I do things, I was still in that trade, and I was able to go all the way from my 03 to almost 14. So it was 10 or more on that trade. And let's look at it on the options. Options was really pretty nice. 67. All I need to go to is 87. It did get the 87 on my way up. I'm done. I'm out of my trade, and it did turn around on me at that time. If I didn't get out of my trade and I could take the pain on the way back up, it did give me a second chance of getting out of that trade. So that's pretty much it on the trades. Let me minimize this. We'll look at it again. Doji greater than 10, up for 10. down for 10, up for 10. And that's pretty much it for the week of July 17th to July 21st. But this my trade on the 17th was a Netflix trade that I didn't get in. I had it set. I was in a meeting. I was watching my thing. I didn't want to adjust it while I was in the meeting, so I ended up missing that trade. Uh, the virtual account filled, but the real account didn't fill. On the IBM trade, I actually sold some contracts on that also. I ended up taking a very small loss on it, but it was a loss. It did go enough against me to wipe out all the credit that I had, and then I had to give back some. But on my QQQ trades, I actually made up, for the loss on the IBM trade, and I was pretty satisfied. Okay, I didn't make money there, but I still made money on these 2 days here. I ended up not trading on the 1 day for the Qs. That was a good day for trading. I ended up doing an IBM trade. That's just the way I trade. Again, that's pretty much it. Again, this is Solomon from Right Side Trading. Let me bring that up. From Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Visit my YouTube page where this video will be posted. Also visit our website where you can contact us about coaching, other strategies that we have, and other webinars that we'll be putting on each month. Again, thank you for viewing, and again, have a great week trading. Talk to you later.